Welcome back. Now some more political events in the state.
Whole Mandre MGP block committee resigned from the MGP and joined the Congress party. Anand Gadekar was heading the block. He claimed that block was not taken into consideration while finalizing alliance with the BJP. Health Minister Vishwajit Rane, Congress Mandre candidate Dayanand Sopte, Congress workers and others were present. Vishwajit Rane criticized Lakshmikant Pasekar for non-performance in his constituency.
मुख्यमंत्री परिकर असताना त्याच्या माध्यमातल्यान मी काय करून पावलो ना तर फुडें म्हणून कितें विकास करतलो हेजेर लोकांनी प्रत्येक महिला प्रत्येक तरणाट्यान विचार करपाची गरज आसा.
Saklikars who are annoyed with the BJP and the Congress have formed a third front. They have demanded that former Health Minister and BJP member Suresh Amhonkar should resign from the party and contest on third front from Sakli. Sakli chairperson Yeshwant Markar is also in the fray.
भारतीय जनता पार्टीचे सदस्य आसा त्या खातीर आम्ही तांकां विनंती केल्या की तुम्ही हो पक्ष सोडचो ज्या पक्षान प्रत्येक वेळार तुमचो गळो कापलो विश्वासघात केलो अशा विश्वासघाती पक्षाचो तुम्ही साथ कायमचो सोडचो.
BJP candidate Carlos Almeida started his campaign in Vasco. He was accompanied by many supporters. He claims that Jose Philip D'Souza has failed to develop Vasco constituency.
See, my priority is upgrade the Chikalim hospital, have a swimming pool for Vasco, upgrade the bus stand, have a proper fish market, have underground cabling, develop Baina Beach. See, like so many issues are there and he has failed. Jose Philip D'Souza has failed for the last 10 years. He has not given jobs to anybody.
Bureau Report, Prudent Media.
And now news from sports. Sagun Kamath is the costliest player in the Goa Professional League Season 3. The Southpaw has not played any competitive cricket apart from T20 competition this season after being sidelined by injury. Salgaonkar snapped Sagun for 3,05,000 rupees. Last season's costliest player, Sher Bahadur Yadav, was picked up by NRB Goa Sports Academy for 2,95,000. Youngster Amog Desai is richer by 1,91,000, picked by GCA Academy due to his growing reputation as future star. 5 franchises were actively involved in a fierce bidding war at the Goa Cricket Academy in Porvorim on Friday.
The bid opened with speedster Saurabh Bandekar and instantly was backed by Salgaonkar for 2,05,000 rupees. However, the surprise of Group A was former Ranji skipper Sagun Kamath, who fetched the highest amount of GPL3 auction. Sagun was picked up by Salgaonkar. Here are the top buys of the auction of GPL3. Sagun Kamath, 3,05,000 rupees, Salgaonkar Sports Club. Sher Bahadur Yadav, 2,95,000 rupees, NRB GSA Stars. Swapnila Snorkar, 2,85,000 rupees, NRB GSA Stars. Saurabh Bandekar, 2,05,000 rupees, Salgaonkar Sports Club. Robin D'Souza, 2 lakhs, Dempo Cricket Club. Amog Desai, 1.91 lakhs, GCA Academy Stars. Keenan was 1,75,000 rupees, GCA Academy Stars. Darshan Misal, 1,71,000, Sarvodaya Royals. Regan Pinto, 1,70,000, Sarvodaya Royals. Sahil Duri, 1,61,000, Salgaonkar Sports Club. Suraj Dongre, 1,61,000, Sarvodaya Royals. Vidyadhar Kamath, 1,55,000, Dempo Cricket Club. Amit Yadav, 1,50,000, Dempo Cricket Club. Ganesh Raj Narvekar, 1,50,000, GCA Academy Stars. And Rahul Kenny, 1,30,000, Sarvodaya Royals.
Overall, the GCA has got the ball rolling on GPL3, which is scheduled to begin on March 4th with video journalist Anil Sanadi, sports reporter Nikhil Pereira for Prudent Media.
The African Cup of Nations has reached its finale with surprise finalist Zambia squaring off against pre-tournament favourites Ivory Coast. The African Cup is not being televised in India, but Sporting Club de Goa's African defender Keita Boubacar is catching up with the tournament on the internet. Keita hails from Republic of Guinea and he said that his country, Equatorial Guinea, did not progress but backs Didier Drogba's Ivory Coast to defeat Hervé Renard's Copper Bullets in Sunday's final.
Keita's home country, Equatorial Guinea, was ousted in the quarter-final stage.
I always sit on the table and my computer, and then I see the result on Soccerway. Even my country was playing, I was too worried, I wanted them to win, but they tried, but they did not get chance to go for a second round. And they are out, and we are not watching, but I'm still watching on the internet. And now they're going for final Ivory Coast and Zambia. It will be a tough game because Zambia was too good before, you know, and then Ivory Coast also they are a good team. So I believe, I think Ivory Coast will win the cup, and I believe that one. Even before the cup starts, I tell my friends, don't worry, Ivory Coast will win the cup. I say like that, and now it's going on. So I see what I say is maybe it's coming through.
One man who will contradict Keita tooth and nail would be Hervé Renard. Zambia's head coach told Prudent when he was in Goa last year with the Copper Bullets that his focus then was winning the African Cup of Nations.
And my dream is to reach the semi-final of the final, of course, and why not to win the competition, even if it should be very difficult for us.
Whether his white shirt, which Hervé hasn't changed since the first group match, will bring him luck on Sunday remains to be seen. With Bureau Inputs, our reporter Shamsundar Fatte with sports reporter Nikhil Pereira from Kalangut.
Log on to www.prudentmedia.in if you have missed our bulletin. You can also follow us on Twitter by following us at Prudent Goa to get latest news as and when they happen. Meet us on Facebook at www.facebook.com/prudentmedia. With this, we come to an end of this news bulletin. Keep watching Prudent Media. Goodbye.